Small businesses are creating more data than ever. From word processing files to database entries to important emails. The value of their data is growing. The reliance on their data is increasing. And because viruses, disasters, and system failures are always looming, the risk of losing data has never been higher. Small businesses are positioned for the perfect data storm. Old school backup solutions are no longer enough to ensure small businesses that their data is safe. Big companies can take big measures to protect their data from the always prevalent threats, but small businesses have limited resources. A robust data protection system designed for a big corporation would be too expensive and too complicated for a much smaller company. So what can small businesses do to protect their data? Introducing Datto ALTO. With the perfect blend of enterprise technology, ease of use, and affordability, ALTO provides big business quality data protection for small businesses. Thanks to ALTO's image-based backup feature, it's no longer necessary to pick and choose files, or even to copy files to a backup folder. Instead, ALTO backs up entire systems so quickly and seamlessly, users don't even notice. Backup files are stored locally on the ALTO device and transmitted to a secure off-site data center for added protection. All backups are tested automatically to ensure that trustworthy data is ready to go at a moment's notice. And ALTO is simple to use. Its user-friendly interface lets employees quickly restore files all by themselves. Restoring data to an entire network is easy and dependable. With Datto's unique hybrid virtualization feature, failed systems can be recreated virtually, avoiding costly downtime. If help is ever needed, Datto's US-based support team is just a call or email away. And prices for ALTO start as low as the cost of a typical cell phone plan. At last, small businesses can feel confident that their data is safe. And because Datto offers an entire family of products for businesses of all sizes, as a company grows from a one-person show, to a small corporation, to a giant enterprise, Datto will be there to help. Datto ALTO. Small business data protection, redefined.